Nice, nice, nice. Talk about AI. Oh, hope everyone's having a great day. Good evening. Nice. Get some water going. Relax. Talk about AI. How to use AI for your business. Oh man, what do I have? Hold on, I'll be right back. Okay. Cool, cool, cool. What's up, Millie? Talk about AI at the end of the day. Actually, for whatever reason, we're talking about probably some of the best AI tools. I'm playing with this one AI app called Cider. Trying to figure out. I just bought a subscription, so I want to learn what this AI tool can do because I treat myself. The great thing about AI is what you learn today will directly benefit your life tomorrow. Brother Vince, good to see you. I was like, where are my late night night owls online? I was like, who's staying up late? I was like, I have a huge sugar fix right now, and there's no sugar in the house. I'm so sad. So I'm like, well, to fight the sugar addiction, I think I'll just live stream. Great how that logic works. But I bought this software. I shouldn't say I bought the software, but I bought a monthly membership to this AI tool, and I want to play with it because it saved me some time today, and I can see the value if I learn more about what it has to offer. It's basically an AI assistant on browser, basically, so I can access AI on any tab. Because for me, the pain point is I hate going to another tab to go and talk with ChatGPT or Mistral. Basically, that's like it's like such a time. I'm such a like productivity nerd that like if I could save minutes a day, like this could save me hours in a week, and everything is productivity. So that's why I was looking. I tried three different ones. I tried I tried Monica AI. I tried Merlin AI, and now I'm on Cider. I think Cider is probably the best one. It had the most reviews. Like it had both Monica and excuse me, both Monica and oh, what is that one? Merlin AI. Basically, where they had like 1 million downloads, and then Cider had 5 million downloads. And so far from the reviews, I'm like, I think the reviews are really good. So that's what I just want to learn. I'm just going to spend this time learning a new AI skill. This is how I stay up to date on AI. I'm going to learn a new skill. You're going to watch me learn a new AI tool right now. And because I know tomorrow, if I wake up with these new skills, it's going to save me an extra hour a day. And so, Alfredo, what do you do? I'm an AI consultant, more AI educator. I have a thriving AI course and community to help keep entrepreneurs up to date with AI, to show them how to, at the end of the day, use AI in their business. So that's why I want to learn, at least for me. Oh, hold on, I'm on the gaming channel. I gotta switch my stuff to education instead of gaming. So basically, on this live stream, I mean, I live stream all day talking about AI. Um, and so, in order for me to stay up to date with AI, to be an AI consultant, I have to play with the best AI tools so that. Good to see you, Pack Army again. I recognize you. Good to see you. So we're gonna learn how all these tools. Brother Vince is like he's the man. No, you're amazing, brother. By the way, Brother Vince, your our last one-on-one AI session, or not AI, but Go High Level session, is on YouTube. So I emailed you the link, so you should be getting that. I just kind of deleted the whole part with the password part, so it's all just Go High Level right after that. Alfredo says, "What AI tools are your favorite at the moment?" Great question, Alfredo. So my best AI tools, number one, is ChatGPT is one of the ones I pay for, because I could create custom GPTs like for business coaching. So what I highly recommend is create a custom GPT. Pat Carmy's like, "Good to see you as well too. I appreciate you guys, my late night AI fam." So top three, of course, is ChatGPT, DeepSeek, Mistral. From there, I Gling. I'll show. Okay, so we'll go through. We'll make this episode my top AI tools that I use every single day. I'll list them all right now. This is gonna be great. So number one, of course, just starting with like I call it just the dailies, just the daily driver, ChatGPT. Of course, I'm still on the paid on the plus plan, and the reason why is custom GPTs, because I have a I have a ChatGPT here. Oh, I gotta log in. So I thought I was logged in. That's weird. Hold on, let me log into my ChatGPT account so I can show you my custom GPT, because that's the real productivity hack, is using custom GPTs to, especially when you're business. So for example, okay, cool, I'm logged in. So I have a custom. You can see here I have basically an army of custom GPTs. These are all custom GPTs for like specific tasks or specific projects that I'm working on. For example, most notoriously is the AI community, because I have an AI community that has it's community plus courses on the best AI software. So that's my business, is selling memberships to my AI community. That's the business. But I need I need a business coach. And so I use ChatGPT as a business coach that knows everything about the products, the services, the sales page. Like it's all prompted, everything in here. So this one GPT knows everything about my business. Um, it acts as more of a business and marketing coach, specifically for copywriting is like the main thing that I use it for. Because at the end of the day, the biggest use of chat or any AI tool is for going to be for copywriting. That's your text on your website, your images, and so forth, so that you could get more leads and then get more sales at the end of the day. So it's all about marketing and then copywriting from there. So, and then here I have, can you read? So this is my whole, this is a PDF, or it's a image of my entire sales page for the online community. So, so this custom GPT knows everything about the sales page, what's offered, what are the prices, knows everything about the business. So I can now chat with this custom GPT. Like today, I had an affiliate question, like how can I create an affiliate program for my members to so that they can make some money, and at the same time I can enroll more members. So what are some ways that I could use it as an affiliate program? So I spun up a conversation. This was the great thing about because I have ChatGPT on my phone. Oops. I have ChatGPT on my phone, and I'm using the voice to text. So then I've voiced basically like, hey, what should I do as an affiliate offer? Like, what's a pricing structure? I'll do this so you guys can see. What's a pricing structure I should offer? What's some pros, some cons? How would I set it up? And so it gave me a whole strategy on how to build an affiliate program for my AI community. And so that's why, like, so I could go from this one prompt, ask it something specific about my business. And that's why custom GPTs are very powerful for your business, because you'll have questions. Who should I target? What's a good lead magnet? Sales objections, for example, stuff like that. Isn't DeepSeek and ChatGPT the same? No. So unfortunately, so in the flavor of them, yes, they're all large language model chatbots, but fundamentally underneath the hood, they're completely different. They're trained on different data. I appreciate Raza for sharing, but they're completely different. So the mindset we teach this in the course. I don't, You'll never make it far if you're just using one AI tool like ChatGPT, for example. You need to use the top three simultaneously to get more out of AI. So, for example, when you give it a prompt, if you give that prompt, I gotta fix this. If you give that prompt to ChatGPT, DeepSeek, and Mistral, which are the only top three that you need, 70% of them are going to say the same thing, but each one of them is going to have 30% of something unique and something different. That's the competitive advantage. That's why DeepSeek will give more insight than ChatGPT will as well too. So, but you need to use top three simultaneously. Not all the time, but something when you're, because if you're working on a project like copywriting, if you're trying to solve a big problem, for example, giving the model to giving their problem or challenge to each of these three models, 70% is going to be the same, but each one's going to give you 30% a unique perspective. So think of it like a mastermind. Like you just hired three expert consultants. You gave them the same task, and each one, 70% is going to give you the same answer, but each one's going to give you two or three things that you just didn't think about. And then collectively, that's how you're going to be like, oh, okay. Because AI is just increasing productivity and making better strategic decisions. That's all AI fundamentally is. So ChatGPT is the main one right there. Yeah, we're just starting with just AI tools. There's so much more. I use 10 different AI tools to get more done in a day than most do in a week. So with that, next ones, I mean, of course, let's just get DeepSeek. Let's actually do this. DeepSeek is DeepSeek is honestly the gold standard large language model as of today. It trumps all the others. It's better than ChatGPT. It's better than Mistral. It's better than Perplexity. It's not as good as Claude is for coding. Claude, because they just released their new model. DeepSeek is the best, hands down. They're actually making 539% profit margin, showing that the other models are actually overcharging. Very interesting. So that's why DeepSeek is the best for copywriting. Like if you want to get more leads, to get more sales for whatever your business is. Like I've used to have a cheap chat GPT that was just for copywriting, but DeepSeek, so good. So good. Like I use it for all my clients. And so when I build sales page, ad campaigns, lead magnets, like it's so good. It's the best. Like again, so I've had to, so that what would take me 3 iterations to try and get in ChatGPT. DeepSeek gets me in pretty much like 2, especially that DeepSeek R1 model. Oh my God, so dangerous. Kimi, I don't like Kimi. At the end of the day, Kimi's not like, I mean, Qwen is actually the better than the Kiwi. Yeah, Qwen is actually better than Kiwi. So yeah, 4.5 is better than copywriting, dude. All my clients are making 20% more revenue because of the copywriting coming from DeepSeek. Like, I put my money where my mouth is, and my clients hire me for marketing consulting, and so like trust. I've tested them, and I'm the AI. I'm literally top 10. I don't want to I don't want to like gloat or anything, like, but I'm in Liam's AI marketing agencies. I'm literally top 10 out of 120,000 marketing agencies. Like, so trust. 4.5, actually, no, 4.5 people are saying some dumb shit. It's actually not, it's stupidly expensive too. So it's not sustainable, which is interesting. But again, ChatGPT just came out with it. So it's like, let's give it some time. I always wait like 2 weeks, kick the tires. Dennis says the best AI for writing SEO pages. So Dennis, if you subscribe, I'm going to show you the best SEO AI tool. And it's not DeepSeek, Mistral, or ChatGPT. If you guys want your AI questions followed, you definitely have to follow the page. I see all the follows. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Yes, I will answer 100% all of your questions. I do not gatekeep. I would tell you the exact best tools. The only thing that I ask for is just follow so that you guys can stay up to date. That's all I ask for. I appreciate it. Okay, so let's help Dennis, because Dennis was so kind to follow. That's the whole point of the show. You ask your AI questions, I'll give you the best tools. So for Dennis SEO, this is actually such a gangster hack. It's called Search Atlas. Search Atlas is the #1 SEO tool for whatever. If you do blogging, if you do SEO for as a service for your clients, if you do Search Atlas, your clients will. It's such a cheat code. It is such a cheat code for SEO. Like, highly recommend like Search Atlas. It's the only one, gold standard. And I'm not talking about like using ChatGPT to write a blog post. No. SEO, this literally puts custom code on each page so that it automatically adds SEO terms and restructures it in the HTML code. So when Google goes to scrape it, it then knows how to rank it because it's all like optimized for the whatever the robocall or crawlers to then access it. So highly recommend. Number top 10 or the only one that I do with my clients SEO is Search Atlas. You're welcome. That's what you get for following. That's also, I don't teach it just because I mostly teach my clients how to create vertical, how to create organic content through video. Because in my opinion, SEO is dead. Sorry. Long live video. Video content on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, you'll get more traffic and leads from there. Like I grew my business, we got 500 leads in 30 days, all through organic content, and all the leads are warm. Like I can't do that with SEO. Like nah. So I don't teach it. That's why it's like I'd rather teach you how to create engaging video content to grow your personal brand, so that you can get. Honestly, live streaming is another piece of content. Live stream is better than SEO at the end of the day. Manny says, what is this? Search Atlas. Great question, Manny. Great to see you. Manny, this is a SEO AI, specifically SEO tool that if you put this, it gives you like a piece of code that you then put on your website. It optimizes your website automatically so that it ranks higher for SEO. So Just Tech LLC, what camera are you using? Yeah, Pack Army. I'm using a Sony A7S III with a beautiful 1.8. I used to do wedding photography, so it's actually, that's why my camera looks so crisp. It's all about the lens, if anything. Full frame and then the lens. So it's a 1.8, what did they say? Was it not stop? I forgot the name of it, but it's a 1.8 shallow depth of field for, it's mainly meant for headshots and photography and stuff like that. We made, so nice. Oh, sorry, that's kind of a nice. So yeah, basically, what I'm going to be doing for the rest, or at least right now, is just showing you the best AI tools that I'm using in my everyday life. But you guys could also ask your AI questions in the chat, and I'm more than happy to answer each and one of them. I'm watching the chat right now. The focus is glittery. Yeah, it will kind of like jitter in and out just because I'm lazy. There's a setting that I'm just annoyed because I have it at the most shallow depth of field right now. So it's like when it works, it looks great. But then it's like right now the thing is kind of, yeah, it's struggling because it's looking at this. Let me fix that real quick. Let me fix that. Hold on. Oops. Actually, I want this. Then I want this. We'll do this. And then this. And then this. Okay, there we go. That should. Everything. Let's see if that works. Yeah, that should be a lot crisper. It's right now. It's trying to focus on the mic, which is like super annoying. So technically, hold on. There we go. Come on, focus on me. There we go. When it focuses on me, it's crisp. But the microphone was right in, so it's like trying to fight the focus. So that's again, the camera stuff. But yeah, so it looks super crisp. Nice. 2.8 shallow focus. Love it. What AI do you prefer day to day for task tracking and meeting notes? So task tracking, you should be technically using, I use TickTick, honestly. I know you've never heard of TickTick. It's not everything needs to be AI. I just want to say that. So I use TickTick for task and project management, both for my personal life and for my business. Like TickTick is like $4 a month. It syncs with your calendar. You could time block like literally all projects that I do from day to day for work or for personal life is all managed in TickTick. It only works on Mac. Sorry, PC users, join the dark side. So TickTick is like the #1 best app for task and project management. When it comes to meeting notes, there's Fireflies. Fireflies is the best AI note-taking tool. Previously it was Otter, which is wild, but now it's Fireflies is like the best one. So if you see there you go. Let's take a screenshot. That's the best one for meet note taking, and then task management is TickTick. I don't recommend. I've tried them. I just don't like them. I don't like a. I haven't yet to find a really good AI task and project management, because like when I do my when I when I schedule my day and my week, I do everything time blocking, and then TickTick syncs with my calendar, and so I have everything I need as far. And then what's more important that you're missing is a digital notebook. That's actually what you're missing, Pack Army. So you're actually missing Notion. Notion is a course that we actually teach in the AI community. So Notion, or we'll put documents. Think of if Excel, Google Sheets, and what's another one? And Zapier all had a baby. That's Notion. That's a good way of putting it. Let's see. Let's do something like this. Notion is the gold standard. And actually, Notion is so good that inside the AI community, this is worth its weight in gold. We had one of our members take the Notion course, actually right here. And then if I go to, where's the discussion forum? Here we go. This is the AI community where basically we have courses on AI. Look at this. We have so much content. Peter posted today in the community forum. Oh wait, that's me. Peter posted in the community forum. He's one of our members of our AI community. He's like, I watched the CRM video in Notion course and I had to make a new database. I have a little side business at home. I use Google Sheets and Google Documents and some other stuff trying to keep track of everything. It's chaos, but no more. I can do everything from the new database. I keep track of everything in his entire business in one app, Notion. And it's not AI, basically. It's not like, again, not everything needs to be AI in your business to like get a competitive edge. Like there's just basic, really good productivity tools. TickTick is one for task and project management. And then you need a digital notebook, regardless if you even touch AI. Like someone that's using AI without a digital notebook, useless. Like absolutely useless as far as trying to get anything done. So that's why Notion is so good, like the best. It's a second brain. It allows you to remember everything. We actually teach a 2-hour course of how to use Notion in the AI Academy. We have some questions about the AI Academy real quick. Use it for affiliate, use it every day. You love Notion. Let's see. Right now I'm just going through your comments. Nice. Notion's definitely good. I use it mostly for my notes. That's all you need it for. Yeah, it's just for notes and documents. That's all. That's more than enough. And then you got TickTick for task and project management. And then you got Fireflies for digital notebook. How can I get access and a member? Papa Joe, I see your comment. I'll get through everyone's comments. Like put your AI questions in the chat and I will answer them. So Papa Joe, awesome. If you just go to, actually I have this slide real quick just to make it, I'm trying to make it easier for people to find. And while I do lives, nope, that's not it. That's actually from, oh, did I not? Oh, okay, hold on. It's in the trash can. I got to pull it out. I got the wrong one. Let me just re-download it. Bear with me. I usually have a nicer set. Okay, here it is. Let me just Canva is my second number tool that I use all day, every day for graphic design, presentations, webinars, sales presentations, video sales letters. Like Canva is the gold standard. Let me download just this one. So definitely you have to learn Canva. Like there's no, like Canva's worth so much. Once you use these tools, you're never going back. Okay, well, we could talk about this later on. But back to just answer Papa Joe. Papa Joe, right at the bottom, simpletechskills.com. If you sign up for the free newsletter, completely free. I want to give you a lot of free goodies. And then you can sign up for the AI community. It's $49. We only have 20 seats left. Only 20 memberships left at the lowest price of $49 per month, or you can get the annual price at $359, which brings it to like $28 per month. It's the best AI education and training that you'll spend online. All the community are entrepreneurs looking to use AI in their business to get a competitive advantage. Some people want to become AI consultants as well too. So everything and all the resources. We have 3 courses. We have Notion, ChatGPT, prompt engineering, and Make.com and AI automation. So everything is in there. And Papa Joe, you get a free 7-day trial. And if there's not more, because I'm always just trying to give as much value as possible, in that 7-day trial, you also get a private 30-minute one-on-one meeting with me. And I'm going to blow your mind as far as what's possible with AI. I'm going to show you exactly what AI tools to use in your business, exactly how to get the most out of AI. So most people, like, they keep signing up for the one-on-one because that's the biggest value, is just to get one-on-one time with me. So yep, I know, awesome. No dating. I know, trust, it's like weird time to burp at that time. I'm ready to y'all are funny. Great questions. Sherry Shop, how do we join your community? Simpletechskills.com. That's the website. Super, because that's the easiest way to remember. It's just simple tech skills to help you take advantage of AI in your business. Because like literally, you guys need to take AI seriously in 2025. It's like there's like you guys are behind technically because this changes so much. Alfredo says, for example, the home service business that you recommended video instead of SEO, 100%. So if you want to get leads for your business, regardless of whatever your business is, you have to create content. Sorry, there's no way around it. Your competitors are creating content and they're making more money than you. And if you're like trying to struggle with referrals, networking, paid ads, like, and you're like, oh my God, it's hard to get, I need leads for my business, create content. Like in 30 days, I created, I went live for 30 days straight, all of February. I just started doing content, like seriously. And in those 30 days, I got 500 leads. I paid nothing for ads. 5% of them signed up for the AI community. That's what you're roughly averaging, what you should aim for. You should aim for a 3 to 5% sales conversion of your email list. Most importantly, here's the most important part. When you create content, the only thing that you market or promote is your free lead magnet. Like my free lead magnet is the free email list, or you get a bunch of free goodies. Like you get a ton. You get the top 100 tools. You get like here, for example, like you get all of these free goodies if you sign up for our AI newsletter. Let me just zoom in here. Like you get all of that for just your email. You get a full how to use ChatGPT 4-hour course. You get a how to use AI, how to build AI agents. That's a 1-hour great course. 100 of the best AI tools. That's my personal best list of 100. You get 1,400 ChatGPT marketing prompts. All that at simpletechskills.com. That's free. So because I want to give more value. So your marketing, the content that you create on your shorts, on Instagram, or your lives, the only thing you're promoting is a lead magnet to collect the email. That's all. Then from the email, you do it's like a webinar discount or like something to promote the product or service on the back end. So that's where that's your marketing funnel. Most businesses fuck up because they're like, hey, buy my service. Like one guy, I'm not going to call him out, he was a dick, but he signed up for the newsletter, got on our group call and tried to sell his AI tool that he was selling. He's like, I was like, who's your ideal customer? Because I'm like trying to give him marketing advice as far as like how to get leads for your business. And he's like, you're my ideal client. I'm like, you piece of shit sales rep, like I don't have time for you. Like I'm not going to buy your product because you've delivered zero value to my life. You're just asking for the sale. And then he goes and promotes his AI tool that I'm never going to mention inside the community and burned all the relationships immediately. So that's why when you market your business, give value. I'm very pissed at it because I was like, it was such a bad vibe because my whole community of 28 members, all we do is help each other. Like we literally we go out of our way to we know each other's businesses and we try and help each other with tips and troubleshooting. So like that's the community that I've built. of amazing entrepreneurs that are trying to support each other. And then here's a dick that comes in saying, hey, by the way, buy my AI tool. No value, not helping anyone. So I say this as a lesson because don't go and just sell, sell, sell. Give value, build trust, like help people first before you ask for the sale. This is Gary Vee's jab, jab, punch. The analogy is you give value, give value. That's your content, 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 content. Give good value and then ask for the sale. In reality, it's give, 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 ask for the sale. Give, 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 ask for the sale. So that's why I do these lives, because like you guys just ask your AI questions. I'm just gonna not gatekeep anything and show you exactly what's the best AI tools and how to use them so that you guys could get started. I don't really care if you sign up or not. The people that recognize and see like, oh my God, this is better value than I'm getting with anywhere else, they immediately sign up and they become a part of the community. And like those, I tracked really ambitious entrepreneurs. So I share that as a story just because like, look, you need to have a lead magnet. You need to create video content. You need to give away a ton of value to build trust before you ask for the sale, for example. And that's all my content is like, basically that's the content strategy. That's how I was able to get 500 leads in 30 days without spending a dime on ads. Because I just gave away everything on my content, my channel. I'm only on TikTok and YouTube. Next week I'm going to expand into Instagram. Ivan says it's jab, jab, right hook. Good stuff. Yeah, it's 100%. But it's more, it's like give value, give everything away, show up, help people. And they'll be attracted to her like, oh my God, if he's giving away this stuff for free, I can't wait to see what his course is or what his community is like. And if my community is 10 times better. Josh is on the YouTube. He's one of our AI members. He's like, you're live at this hour. I love this guy. Shout out to Josh. Josh in 1 week took the make.com course that we have, learned how to use make.com AI and automation for he's starting an AI agency business. By the way, if you want chatbots or automation, shout out to Josh. His business is called Blackfish AI. You could connect with members. I have a job board. By the way, Josh, I'm actually launching a job board in the community so that people can post, hey, I need to hire an AI expert to build something for me, for example. So that's coming out. So I'll give a shout out to Josh because Josh built this amazing, I gotta go. So it's like, it's interesting. Okay, here's discussion forum, cool. And then if I go down here, we speak in memes too on the community. Like we have a bunch of memes. Like we're giving up. There you go. There's that. Oh, slowly loading. Okay, there we go. Josh he automated his social media content. Oh, I'm too far. And it's right around here. There's that one. But this project is amazing. This is Josh. He's so shout out to Josh, and his company is right about there. There we go. Zoom in. There we go. Josh at you can't see it, but it says Blackfish AI. Brother Vince is like, Josh, my brother. 2 AI members on my YouTube live. And so Josh took the 4-hour ChatGPT course, like went all in and focused and crushed it. And then he built this dope. He's automated his entire social media content. Look at this automation. This is incredibly powerful. So what would take maybe an hour of creating content manually, going through the different AI tools and then scheduling to upload, for example, like say a LinkedIn or a Facebook post, he just pops in an idea into his Google Sheet database of ideas and schedules it. And then his make.com will take that idea or blog post and then create original content using AI tools and make.com and then automatically post. He learned that from the course. That's what I could like. I love that. Like I can only teach you the tools. From there, you guys are what's going to really build amazing things. Everyone's like, habla español. Yo hablo poquito español, más práctica. I would love to habla AI in español. That would be funny. I seriously will. I like that's a goal for me to like practicar my español so I could give AI lectures to Spanish entrepreneurs. Josh says, true. It used to take me an hour to write a post, but now I could plan all my content for a week in that time. Josh is that that's the shit. That's what learning AI skills is. You if you take it seriously, you learn these AI tools, you're able to accomplish more in a day than what would take other people a week. And so that's really why I started the community and just providing the resources. So, and again, you have support in the community. So if you have issues or troubles or roadblocks, you can just reach out to the community and they'll help you from there. So you guys got a lot of good questions. I'm going to answer all your questions. Shout out to Josh. Good to see Josh. I'm live streaming 3 times a day. Like technically, secretly, low key. I get the afternoon crowd. I get the evening crowd at 6 p.m. And then I'm getting the late night crowd as well too. Surprisingly enough, the late night crowd, you guys are actually more popular than the 6 p.m. I should do like class or cohort. I was like, everyone's at home. If you're bored at home, you're live streaming, and you're either going to entertain or let's learn some AI together so you can wake up smarter. At the end of the day, I think my new motto for the show is to become smarter every day. I'll help you become smarter every day by teaching you one new AI tool so that you can wake up and crush it. And that will compound. I think that would be dope. Real Time says, what camera are you using? I'm using a Sony A7S II. It's a full frame camera, but the camera really doesn't matter. It's the lens. You're more impressed of the lens, and it's like an $800, it's a shallow depth of field 1.8 focus lens. So that's why it's so sharp. It's basically a photography. I used to do wedding photographies as a side hustle. So that's why it looks so crisp, basically. Um, Brother Vince says we are the crowd, brother. No, you guys are my AI family. Like you guys are AI family. I'm here to support you guys in your goals. Snazberry, good to see you again. What AI tools are the best for building programs? Been using VO. Um, for building apps, actually Replit is like now probably the best because Replit just updated they did a whole revamp to their software. Now they're using Sonnet 3.7, but they revamped the whole UI. So it's actually much easier to build an app without having to write a code using like Replit. You could use Cursor as well too. There's also VO as well too, but I've been watching reviews of other like software developers. Chris Rocks says, how much is the course? The course is, well, one, it's a free 7-day trial. So you can sign up for the course, get unlimited access to everything for 7 days. Plus you get a 30-minute one-on-one with me where I understand what are your AI goals. And I just give you a ton of value of like, what's the best AI tools to take advantage of. That's all free, 7 days. And then if you want to continue, it's $49 per month or $359 per year, and the $359 is 40% off. You get 40% off. Not 40% off, but you would save 40. You're basically saving 40% versus the monthly. But we only have 20 memberships left at that price. Once they're gone, they will never come back again, and price increases every 50 members. So do not wait. I want to reward people who take action and take education seriously and like do not wait. Trust. Alfredo says sign up in a few days. Yeah, just go to simpletechskills.com. I recommend just signing up for we'll talk about this pyramid. Sign up for the free email newsletter because on the free emails newsletter, you get access to a free this is what you get for the newsletter. You get a free Saturday Q&A with me. It's not live stream. It's not recorded. Today we had someone in their small business, they were using Google Sheets and wanted to do make.com and wasn't having a good experience. So I introduced Notion and their mind just exploded as far as they're like, wait, this is Notion? This could do everything that I've been struggling to do with Excel and Google Docs. They're like, and then immediately signed up after. She signed up for the annual plan. But 7-day trial, I mean, you can't beat that. So that's why just sign up for the newsletter. I'll see you Saturday. I get to help you guys. Private Zoom. Alfredo says, "What is the Monica website?" So I did a post. Actually, that was my last post about Monica AI. I don't recommend Monica AI, honestly, because actually, wait, Monica AI, because that's actually why I started the stream. Honestly, I'm personally, for me, I'm looking for an AI assistant that I can use without I have with to save me from going to open a tab, go to ChatGPT, log in, just for something to summarize or to ask a question or to clean up for like an email or for something, for example. So I'm looking at different extensions. There's only three out there basically. There's Monica AI, there's Merlin, and then there's Cider. I canceled Monica because they got hacked, and then their Reddit reviews were not too positive, um, and they only had 1 million downloads. Cider is actually what I'm playing with right now. I actually just bought their monthly membership today. I'm not sponsored by any of these companies. Not one company. I'm only sponsored by my AI community. I'm self-funded. I don't take sponsorships. If I recommend a tool, it's because I recommend it. It's the fucking best tool. That's for me at the end of the day. So I'm playing with Cider. I just bought it's $10 a month, and so far I like it. It's already saved me half an hour today in just day-to-day work, as I'm still learning how to use all the different features of it. And so let me actually show you a demo of what it does. It's worth so that was tonight. I was going to like play with it to kind of just learn, because then I could wake up tomorrow and it technically would save me an hour every single day. And so I'm like, I see the value. In my community, I posted it in the community. So we talk about so much in the community. So here, and the reason why is because I posted right here their onboarding demo, which I think is really dope. Like, this is really dope. So using it, I can access this sidebar right here. So if I do here, I get this AI tool sidebar right in the browser, and it gives me access to all the AI tools I need, and I don't have to leave this window that I'm working on, which I really like. That's the value for me. If I have to leave the window, that's a time cost. I'm all about Kaizen, lean productivity. If you want to get into what's the other, like Six Sigma, like productivity, like time matters. Every minute counts. So if I have to go to another tab, that takes time, for example. So I'm still playing with it, and so far I liked it, because I could highlight text. If I go to here, if I highlight this, I get the little toolbar. I know it's a little hard to see, but see that little toolbar right there? I could then say summarize, or for me, the most important thing that I do is what's called rewrite. I'll say my thoughts, and I'll be like, rewrite this and make it sound more professional. Because I do that for my comments. I do that for responding to messages for the community members in emails. I'll say what I think is like, yeah, this is what I want to reply. And then I highlight and have AI rewrite it instantly. This tool will help me save me from doing it. It would save me, and it does it super fast and in the same browser. So that time it takes to go to another tab, that's why I've been playing with it, and so I like it. But the other cool thing is, like, I mean, it does chat with PDF. You could build custom GPTs. You could rewrite stuff. Like here, rewrite. Here's a text, and then make it longer, make it shorter. So it's like, it's such a productivity. These little things are like, they'll end up saving me an hour a day, and to me, that's money at the end of the day. So that's where I'm like, okay, cool. I'm down to, so that's Cider. That's why I don't recommend Monica. I created a video about it, but I played with it more and did some reviews, deep dives, and then I'm like, no, there's got to be something better. And then today, because this is only within a few days, because you have to understand, every month in AI world is 6 months in the real world. So that video I did 2 days ago, 3 days later, changed. That's now there's a better tool. So that's where it's like, that's why I created the community, to keep you. Have you tried Highlight AI? Honestly, this does a lot of that, and it's like has the best reviews. And no offense, I don't think Highlight AI is as popular and has as many tools, only one. So I'm looking for just one. I don't want many different AI assistant tools. Good questions. Good questions. What's his name on TikTok? Just my name, Jonathan Acuna. Actually, you're following the stream, so it's TikTok. It's just Jonathan Acuna. Durrani says, what's your thoughts on Klein? Klein is, which one's Klein? Oh, Klein, autonomous VS Code. You should, honestly, Cursor is better than Klein. Like if you need like an AI assistant, Cursor is the gold standard. They now use Sonnet 3.5. So you technically want Cursor. And then if you want AI to build the tool for you, I mean, there's two. There's Replit. If you know what you're doing, basically, I would say Replit's the gold standard. If you don't know what you're doing, Lovable AI is the better one. If you're like super beginner to building apps, Lovable for beginners, Replit for professionals or people serious, and then Cursor falls just underneath that if you're like you want an AI assistant writing with you. I don't teach a lot of how to build apps because I'm not gonna lie, you do have to go through the experience of learning how to write code. Like I've written lots of code over the history in many different languages, so I know how to write code. But I know the secret is that if you don't know how to write code, you're going to be in a very world of hurt as far as troubleshooting, thinking, because like if it gives you a false confidence. And so that's why I don't like it. If you're a developer in some way, perfect. These are great. You know what to troubleshoot. It's going to save you a ton of time. If you don't know what you're doing, don't have the marketing hype. Don't believe the marketing hype that you could just build an app without writing a single line of code. No, it's not going to happen. Sorry. You need to have some coding experience to actually get the most out of these tools. It's almost there. It's not the best. Good questions though. So if you guys have AI questions, be sure to follow. You have to follow at least my TikTok channel, and then I can answer each and every one of your questions. It just goes to help the algorithm boost. That's all. I really appreciate it. But I'm happy to answer all your questions. What do you think about Bolt.new? Same thing. Bolt.new is just an same thing. It's Bolt.new. I would put up comparable to Lovable. It's a very easy app to use to build apps, basically. So you don't have to have that much software development experience to build an app. So Lovable and Bolt are really good for building apps if you don't have coding experience. If you do have some coding experience, well, even if you don't have coding experience, Replit literally upgraded their software. I think it was this week, and they really revamped a lot. Like they made it even more user friendly to build very sophisticated, beautiful looking web apps. Like I've seen a lot of demos, especially for like the habit trackers. I've seen a lot of people do like habit track. It does the design, the aesthetics, the functions. Like they really revamped the UI for it, so it really builds really beautiful, easy to use apps for, and it's a lot easier. So I would pick honestly Replit, and then if you want like an IDEs, like you want to actually use something to code, I would do Cursor as the top two. But again, there's always in AI, there's some easy to use version, and there's one for like more advanced, more professionals. But both will comparably do functionally the same. Good question, Tom. Great to meet you, Tom. Welcome. What else we got here? Alfredo, you're saying what's that called? What are you referring to? Let me know. Tom says try Bolt.new. Yeah, try them, play with them. It's really just pick the tools, play with them. You'll understand what they can or cannot do. So as long as whatever you're comfortable with, like I don't promote much of like building apps kind of thing. I more teach like entrepreneurs how to make money with no low code tools like Make.com and NAN. And then off the shelf tools like Notion, TickTick, ChatGPT, DeepSeek, Mistral, Cider. So I just teach entrepreneurs how to get the most out of those. But like for software developers, it's a whole different side of TikTok. I'm trying not to get the coding TikTok, the AI coding, which it's a totally different camp. Don't like Monica. Let me see. Just kind of Search Atlas, really good. Notion's really good. Get the community. I want to play with these with the settings eventually because I'm like, that's super helpful. I want to get my money's worth at the end of the day. If you guys want to see, this is like the path of learning AI. You start with building automated marketing systems, creating better content so you get more leads. Then you get into Make.com and NAN as far as automation. Then you build AI chatbots for your business. This is all for if you want to put AI in your business at the same time, or if you want to be an AI consultant. Then you go to AI voice. AI voice agents is dope, actually, if you guys want to do demos. I could do a demo of an AI voice agent. Actually, it's late. I can't do that because it's pretty late. I want to keep it quiet. I'm gonna Fires says I'm an accountant, non AI. I use Excel a lot. Are there any AI tools I should check out? 100%. So if you sign up for the newsletter, you'll get my top 100 AI tool list, and in that list, there's tools for Excel. Here we go. You're gonna love Julius actually. If you're an accountant, you would actually like Julius and Data Rails are like the top two. So these are hold on, Fires, welcome Fires. Go ahead and take a screenshot, Fires. These are like the best AI tools. This is part of the 100 list you get if you sign up for the email. You get this for free. So actually, since you're an accountant, the first one it's pricey. I'm not gonna lie, but it's also the best. Like if you're doing financial reporting, this is the gold standard. Honestly, this is Data Rails. Data Rails is like not just AI for Excel, but AI for analytics. Appreciate Fires. Welcome to the AI family. I would start with Data Rails, and then if you can't afford Data Rails or it's uh, a little too advanced for what you're doing, then I would do, for example, Julius. Let me bring up Julius. Hold on. Where's Julius? There we go. Okay, cool. So Julius AI is super dope because Julius, this is all for data, Excel. You could do charts and graphs. It's so dope. Oh my God. I love these charts. Those are so fast. These revenue charts. Data. I love data. I know, super nerdy. You could do data manipulation if you want to manipulate, transform. You're basically talking to it to do the things that you want. For example, Tom, we do financial modeling for acquisitions. Would Data Rails work for that, or is internal? Good question, and that's really dope, Tom. Glad to have you on the live stream. If you're doing it for acquisitions, I would probably use Julius first and then Data Rails, because you'll get a quick win at a Julius and you'll like start automating or even processing like the crunching the numbers for acquisitions for what you're doing. You'll get a quick win out of Julius, and then I would spend the budget and go into Data Rails next, because that would give you a foundation, and then you have both you could choose from. So that's a really good question, because like it's more for enterprise companies. That's why I don't recommend it for like small to medium sized business. But if companies are using it to do all their data analytics and charts, graphs, trends, analysis, like you're trying to find patterns or crunch large volumes of data. Data Rails is the gold standard. But then budget wise, small to medium sized businesses, Julius does the same exact thing. You get insights, which is dope. Like you could do heat maps. Like this is dope. You could visualize your data science, which is insane. You could do like Julius is no joke. You could do reports. So basically, you could build reports that basically executive summaries of what you're trying to do. For example, pretty dope. Tom says, "What's a good formula to charge for consulting? Like, how much should I charge?" Depends. Like I'll do engagements, and I charge $800 for me to audit your company to kind of figure out what AI opportunities are available. It's like a 1 week engagement. That's just for a report, just to kind of give you like what tools, what AI opportunities you could charge, and then from there depends on the implementation. So if you want to charge for any of these implementations, for example, like this one right here. So if the company, after your report or your audit, you should charge. If they need a an automated marketing system, great, or automated social media content, great. If they need some custom make.com or N8N automations, you're going to charge for that. If they need AI chatbots, you're going to charge. All of these have two prices. One price for the setup. Any one of these could charge anywhere from $5,000 to $10,000 depending on the complexity of the project. It really depends on like the need, the complexity, time to set up and stuff. And then second is the monthly maintenance. How much they're going to charge, or you're going to charge to maintain these new AI tools that you set up for the company, for example. So It just depends like what your niche is, how big, how badly do they need. I mean, acquisitions at the end of the day, like you could use it internally for your team to help you guys increase productivity across as far as how you do financial modeling, and then even for your clients or the people or the if you buy the companies, for example, like that's just another way. Many different tools. Nice. Welcome everyone. Welcome to the AI and Automation Show. This is probably like the cool cheat sheet of like I call it like the AI. Let me actually refresh this. There we go. Nice. That's why you start from the foundation and then you go up basically. So there's missing a bottom part here is technically AI for employees, like have to get upskilled. Tom says, yes, we evaluate businesses and we walk our clients through strategic acquisitions. So that framework that you use for evaluating and then the strategic acquisitions can be systemized. You could, I mean, you could build a custom GPT for that. You could build a Make.com automation. You could integrate that with like Data Rails and Julius to crunch all the financials. So basically, you fill out this very comprehensive fill in the blank form of like a new client, for example, financial data, upload files, and then Make.com could take that data, assign it to each we'll call them AI assistants. One to Julius to do some financial projections, one to DeepSeek to pretty much crunch the performance of their 12-month I don't know. I would love to do acquisitions, but it's like that's the secret dream, but that's another thing. But yeah, you could build a pipeline, Make.com automation. You can even get into N8N. It sounds for you. I would invest more into N8N as far as your workflow automation tool. That's what you're basically going to build your automated workflows to streamline your internal process of how you evaluate companies and then how you go through executing your strategic acquisitions. Like this will kind of streamline everything. Honestly, I would just invest in that plus whatever specialty tools like Data Rails or Julius or any specific large language models to do some. You could do agents and stuff. Real nice. Sherry Shop. Good to see you, Sherry Shop. Sherry Shop. You say, upon completion of your course, do we get a certificate? Actually, yeah. So if you complete any of the courses, we have right now 3 courses. We have Notion, ChatGPT, which is also prompt engineering, Make.com. If you complete any of those projects, there's a challenge. And the challenge is you have to show me how you use your new skills and applied them in a unique way. I'm not looking for you to build like the most advanced thing or kind of, I just want to see you actually apply what you've learned in your business or your life, for example. So you'll submit a project. Yeah, it has to be a video. Like Josh, that's Snoop Dogg. Josh, for example, built his automation bot for the challenge. Actually, this is his certificate. So this is his submission for the Make. Shout out to Josh. He took the Make.com course. He finished it. It's a 4-hour course. He finished it in a week. Then he built his own social media automation bot. So what took him, and Josh says, quoting him because he's on YouTube chat. He says, it used to take me an hour to write a post. Now I could plan all my content for a week in that one time. That's a pretty dope ROI. So he submitted the video, and then I reviewed the video to make sure. I'm just looking for just to see if you applied or you applied your skills, and then it's actually this video right here. This video in the comments, you get certificates. Wait, where is it? Oh, here it is, right here. Cool. So this is the certificate for the Make.com course by me, founder or simple tech skills, but that's me certifying you that you know your shit in like Make.com AI automation, basically. And so we do this for Make, ChatGPT, and prompt engineering, Notion, and then as we add more courses, every course will have a certificate component that you could apply for, but it's only for annual members. If you're a monthly member, you could take the challenges, but you won't get a certificate. So it's only for annual members at the end of the day. But you could take the challenges, take the whole courses, go through it. You could even apply and do the challenges, which were great. It's great for all the other community members to like go through. But if you want certificates, you just have to be on the annual plan. Babyberry, dope name, says, "What type of things do you make? What type of things does Make do? Can it help my digital products and physical products?" 100%. Um, so with the physical and digital products, like for sure digital products, because like say for example, like my automation, my business is pretty much AI courses, for example, but I have different tools that I'm using to manage my business. I have my website, I have my CRM, I have my email, I have the community with which has the community and course. So I need a way to automate a lot of the day-to-day work, for example. So like if you sign up for the AI community, you'll get enrolled in a 5-day email sequence. For example, that's going to give you a private link to book a one-on-one with me for 30 minutes, for example. So I use make.com to automate those manual tasks that I don't have to do in my business. So if someone signs up and their credit card declines for whatever reasons, they get put in an email sequence. So over the next 2 weeks, they'll get emails every so often to say, "Hey, saw you were interested in the course. Your payment was declined. Would you like to try again? Here, try again." So that I make sure I get 100% success rate on enrollment. So um, regardless of your physical, your digital, or your physical products, the make.com is one. There's other tools like not just Make. You also need like a database tool. Like they use Airtable. We actually teach ClickUp, which is like super dope. Actually, let me show you ClickUp. Um, you could use like Josh used Google Sheets to track everything, just because it's free and it's just as powerful. But if you really want to take your automations to the next level, you need a database tool. Um, Airtable's the gold standard, but not many people can afford $20 a month for Airtable. So that's why I teach ClickUp. It's only $10 a month, and it's like super powerful. So like this is a CRM for real estate agents to automate their or to track all of their deals of properties across the different stages of their sales cycle. So for example, so like all their entire sales cycle as far as new lead, follow-up, qualified, inventory, tour, agreement, buyer under contract. This ties with make.com and also like tools like a contract management app. So that it automatically triggers using make.com to fill out a contract, and then once it's signed, it uses make.com to go back into ClickUp to update them automatically through the stages. So they move through the stages completely automatically without you having to do anything manually. Of course, you have to set that up. You have to set it up, but that would be the tools to automate your entire sales process and all the nuances of the tasks that have to get done to complete and move a client from new lead all the way to close win or close loss, for example. So that's there. And how much is the Make course? It's all included in the AI Academy. Everything's included. You get a free 7-day trial, plus you get a free 30-minute one-on-one with me. I'm going to blow your mind as far as what's possible. People just love the one-on-ones, which is dope. And then you get unlimited access. You get access to everything and then for 7 days. And then you also get every week. We have technically it's insane. Technically, we have 4 events every single week. We have on Tuesday and Thursday, we have our office hours at 12 to 1 p.m. So you could come in, ask questions. We'll help you with any roadblocks or help you brainstorm ideas for your business. Or like, I mostly also focus in marketing too, help small businesses either get started or use AI in their business or help them get more leads or sales basically as well too. So you get like business marketing coaching as well. That's Tuesday, Thursday. Friday is AI networking, where you just come in, like, because it's really a family at the end of the day. If I were to just like really summarize, you're joining a very amazing group of people, of entrepreneurs that are just a family. So Friday last Friday we got to meet each other, found out that we had very similar backgrounds, starting different businesses to get to where we were. AI, we came from different curiosities from AI, and so like we really got to know each other, and that's like just networking. I want to grow your network. And then Saturday from 10 to 11 a.m. I have a private Zoom group. It's like I don't want to call it an office hour, but it's just an AI consulting. So you could come in and I just kind of like find out your AI goals. It's mostly for the people that sign up for the email list to give them more value. So, but that's insane. Of like, where else are you gonna go to get 4 AI trainings a week, access to a community? And then if you want to stay after 7 days, there's no risk. It's $49.99 per month if you want to stay, or you can save 40% and get the annual plan, which is 359. But we only have 20 memberships at that price, because after 50 members, every 50 members, I raise the price. So once those are gone, they're gone. They'll never be that cheap ever in the history of as I'm doing this. And then every month we're adding new courses. We have a whole schedule of courses that we're offering as far as like tomorrow I'm doing Potato, I'm doing HeyGen, I'm doing AI chatbots. Like my schedule is really packed as far as creating more course content. This month we're going to do N8N, which I'm super excited for. We're going to build agents. So you can see here, this is our 3-month schedule. Only annual members can vote for new courses. That's something there. So love to have you. Love to have you. Baby Bear, welcome to the AI family. We'd give you, there's a ton of AI tools in there to help you stay ahead. Tom says, do we get Credly digital badge as well? Technically it's a certificate, and then if anyone contacts me to verify them, I verify. We honestly just launched 2 weeks ago, but last year I had a chat. Actually, let me show you this. So last year I certified 300 entrepreneurs in ChatGPT. That was one of the previous programs that we launched last year. Super excited about that. Like this is the certificate. Let me actually just zoom out so you can kind of see this. This is because I keep track of all of them. There we go. So you can see these are all entrepreneurs that graduated with just the ChatGPT certification. This was 300 last year. There's more, but it's insane. So we do that just to give you an idea. But at the end of the day, it's your projects and your skills. I encourage you to document what you've built so that you can build a portfolio. At the end of the day, you will have more confidence as far as when people talk about AI or automation. Going through the course, you'll know more than actually 99% of everyone. Pretty dope. Nice. Great to meet you, Blackberry. Nice. It's getting late. I will stay on for 10 more minutes. So if you guys have any AI questions left, if you found this valuable, please follow. If you sign up for the AI newsletter, Simple Tech Skills, that's free. You get all of these goodies at simpletechskills.com. A lot of goodies for free. Let's see what else. So simpletechskills.com is the website. I'm going to eventually put a QR code there to make it easier. I'm just trying to make it easy at the end of the day. And you get a free 7-day trial. Come in, meet the community. It's an amazing group of entrepreneurs all using AI and uniquely in their business. Nice. Any AI questions? Or else I'm just going to demo AI tools. My best AI tools, if you guys want to see that. I can show you guys my best AI tools that I use day in, day out. Water is life. Nice. No questions? Guys are so quiet. Okay, I'll show you some cool AI tools. Baby Berry says, I was wondering, how about Make? I have a lot of GPTs and do digital marketing. Nice. So do I. So the cool thing about Make.com and selling digital courses. So I'm going to encourage you, Baby Berry, to actually start a community around AI and digital marketing and charge a monthly subscription price for it. Start at $49. Josh is like, yeah, demo your favorite tools. Definitely. I'll show you my best AI tools. So for Baby Berry, if you're doing it courses and community, honestly, you want to do it all in circle. No one's going to take you seriously if you're hosting your courses in school. I know, like, unpopular opinion, but like no one's going to take you seriously if you're hosting your courses in community in school. It's a shit app, honestly. I don't care if Alex Hormozi promotes it. It's a shit experience for students at the end of the day. Sorry. If you want the gold standard, she's like, no, no, you could be in courses in school, but like if you want to make FU money, like, and you want to run a real business, No one runs a real business in school. It's a hobby. Sorry, unpopular opinion, but I want to motivate you to move. Once you go circle, you're like, oh dear God, I have superpowers. I could do so much and automate so much. Courses, community spaces, apps. You could white label your own app. You could do Zapier like automation. You can has a payment an actual payment gateway. It's cheaper than school. You actually make more money on the credit card charge because like school's like 2.9% versus Circle, which is like 2%, but you get 1%. I have leads boost site. Where can I make membership? Where, what is leads boost site? Technically, your website, okay, another unpopular opinion. Trust, I'm a digital marketer for 10 years. This is like how my clients pay me to help them make more money. Do not have your website in Wix, Squarespace, GoDaddy, WordPress, Webflow, Go Framer, Systems.io. Those are like the main top culprits. Those will kill your business. Like you won't make it serious money, unfortunately. The only tool to honestly is lead pages. Is for the most affordable option. Do lead pages, build a funnel. Tom's like Hostinger. Tom, do you want clients to take you seriously as a client acquisition company? Don't I give a lot of shit honestly for a reason because I need you to move as quickly as possible because the sooner you move, the more money you'll make. At the end of the day, that's all. So if you don't have that much funds, lead pages is what I recommend. I don't recommend ClickFunnels because it's like stupidly expensive. I have all my sites in Hostinger, bro, bro. If trust, I know you're not using funnels then. I know you don't have an automated process then. You just have a site, which is like sites died almost 15 years ago. Please, I don't take this the wrong way. I'm just like you want to make FU money, Tom, right? And trust me when I tell you like for example, my funnel I send cold traffic to, I convert 40% of my traffic from there. My sales process converts 5% of my sales completely automatically. This is like the best of the marketing conversions because like I use the best tools and everything's automated. So if you're using old technology, it's costing, it literally is not, it's not, you're saving money because it's so cheap, but it's actually costing you sales. So it's actually losing revenue just having those old software. So please, I want you all to make FU money, and this is the path. Jerry's in the house. Jerry, I missed you. Jerry, it's been so long since I've seen you. Like, I've missed you, Jerry. Jerry's the shit in the chat. Tom's like, no, I love it. I get all my networking in person site is new. Tom, don't worry. You'll come to the dark side. Totally okay. Don't worry. When you're like, hey, I want to double my revenue in 90 days, and you hire a marketing consultancy, and they're like, we need to build funnels, and you're like, oh, that's what John was talking about. And then Baby Bear is like, how do you want us to make FU money? Please tell you by using the tools that I recommend. If I recommend, trust, I'm not sponsored. I don't even have an affiliate program with any of these. I don't even have like nothing. I'm sponsored by my clients paying me lots of money to make them more money with the proper marketing funnel. Jerry's like, my book is FU money. Fuck yeah. I think I'm gonna have a shirt that says how to make FU money. I think that's gonna be the merch brand. Like I think that because I've been trying to think of like dope slogan for like merch. I think that's gonna be it. Dude, you've been doing a 400-page manuscript for a manifesto. Jerry's no joke. Jerry's doing big shit. Like honestly, like I'm inspired by Jerry. Jerry, like we gotta hook up because like you're doing big stuff. So great thing, Tom. Trust, Tom. I'm here to help you in any way. Honestly, there's two ways basically starting off. If if you don't have that much money, and this it's not that much. Lead pages is like the easiest to use. What's more important is to build two funnels. You need a funnel for cold traffic, and then you need a funnel with a video sales letter for your sales page. Those are the two things that are going to make you FU type money, like having that automated. You can't have a website and try and put everything on your website. No one cares about websites anymore. They're going to spend 5 seconds and bounce anyways. So that's why you need to send all your cold traffic to a lead magnet page. And then from the lead magnet page, you get their email. Same process as me. When I say go sign up for my email newsletter, like this, I send all my cold traffic to this squeeze page. That's it. Just that's all. That's the only thing that's on this page. So when you sign, so if that converts at 40, technically it's 42.5%. So I collect 42.5% of cold traffic across all the marketing channels that I'm marketing this. I just send them all here. They come into the email list, and then from there, after 14 days, they sign up for the 7-day trial, completely automated. So that's like 42%. I guarantee your website's converting at 3% if you're lucky. Like I know industry averages, and like, do you want to go from 3% to 40% more traffic, more leads? So funnels, notice how the only thing is on this page is just an email, one action. That's a funnel. If you have more than one button and like an about me and services and look at all the portfolio, no one cares. Every button just confuses the customer, and so they don't know what to do, for example. So this is that, and then you should have a sales page as well too. Now, again, there's two tools. Lead Pages is affordable. It's $49 a month. Can't beat that. It's super easy to build. I still use a lot of my clients. Tom's like, I love this advice. I don't gatekeep on this channel. Like, you ask and you shall receive. And I'm like, I say these things with passion because I'm like, I want you to make more money. And I've argued with clients, and as soon as they make 3 times more money in like 90 days, they're like, oh, I see why John was trying to get me off Hostinger or like GoDaddy or WordPress or that. Is like I want you guys. I've been there in the frustrations. That's why. So Lead Pages is great. If you can, if you can, I would highly recommend Go High Level. Go High Level is the gold standard for, again, I don't have an affiliate link to sell you. I mention it because it works. Go High Level is the gold standard for funnel, CRM, email, text, calendar booking, and automation like Zapier, plus so much more. Like my website and my whole business is built in Go High Levels. I can automate my entire business effortlessly using this one tool. So like recommend, and then I don't pay for hosting too. So like the whole Bluehost, WordPress, or Hostinger, I don't pay for hosting. You shouldn't technically have to. Hosting died when websites were a thing, honestly. Like once you get Lead Pages or Go High Level, it folds into the your hosting price is actually folded into the actual price for the SaaS product. So it's an all-in-one marketing tool. So that's why, if you can, go high level. It's going to be the investment, because the reason why is this sets you up to actually automate your business. We all want to automate our business. My whole business is automated. I spend very little time working on the business because the whole all my marketing, all my sales is completely automated. I just create content and courses. That's the only thing that I do, is just content and courses to get more leads into my funnel. Once you're in my funnel, the systems automate you automatically. In 14 days, you're going to join or you're not. And so it's like, I just do more sales, do more marketing, create more content. So that's why a lot of these automated tools will really help you. For example, Jerry's like, same, we got to work together on this, homie. Trust Jerry, we vibe the same way. Like I only connect with like really dope entrepreneurs, and I already know the vibe. Like you're moving big shit. So, and then back to Babyberry for your AI and your digital marketing courses. You need to move into Circle. Move all your courses off school and then put them in Circle. You actually save $10 a month, but you actually make more money. It's a much better platform for your students to actually learn or consume, and then charge a monthly subscription instead of a one-time buy. So there's 2 trends in 2025 that people are going to make more money than others. I love balloons. Trend number 1 is having a personal brand. You have to create content. I don't recommend SEO. We started this episode with like, what's the best SEO tools? Waste of time. Honestly, just create more content on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn. I don't like LinkedIn personally. Like, I get most of my leads. Like, I'll show you. if you guys want to see actually something nerdy, because I have data to back up my shit. It's like, this is fascinating to me too. So I could see where people come from as I do my content, and I know where most of my traffic comes from. So look at that. My funnel converts at 41% of cold traffic. Beautiful. I love that. But look at where my traffic's coming from. Most people are coming directly because I have a call to action. Just type in the website. So most people are just actually typing in my website, finding me, and signing up. Actually, that has a 32% conversion rate. That's actually dope. Second, TikTok. TikTok is where I get most of my traffic. The reason why? Lives. I go live 2 to 3 times a day. That's my content game. And then from there, second to that is half of that is from YouTube. So I have my YouTube audience, which I'm live streaming at the same time. Then some people find me from Google. I also have a Meetup account in all 3 major states. In Los Angeles, I'm in SoCal. In Los Angeles, Texas, and New York, I have I have a large AI group in all of those 3 cities. And I have an event Monday through Friday that just sends people to the lives. So I'm getting traffic from Meetup as well too. So that's nice. It's not that much, but it's nice. LinkedIn, look how far LinkedIn down is like the worst. 2 people, like out of all the other hundreds that I've gotten, 2 people came from LinkedIn. That's why I don't waste my time on LinkedIn. I hate LinkedIn personally. I've yet to add Instagram to this funnel, so that's going to be my marketing strategy for next week, is adding Instagram to the channel, both lives and content. That's where I get my leads. I got 490 subscribers in 30 days from all organic content, and they're all warm. Then 5% of that converts into sales. You're not going to get 100%. Like, never expect to get 100. Just know that 3 to 5% is usually the average of what your email list will convert into the sale. So you're always trying to build your email list too. So hope that gives you a little like behind the scenes of like data. Baby Bear is like, I'm in courses in school and I don't have my own course yet. Oh, create your own community, build your email list is like the main thing from there. And then move everyone into a school community, charge $49 a month. It's the same business model as me. Because the second trend outside of personal brand, we're actually end on this. There's personal brand, which is going to be the most important thing. That's your creating content. Tom, thank you so much for the likes and for the coins. Appreciate it. So personal brand is you creating content, your face, not AI, building trust, because people buy from people. People buy from people they know and trust. That's kind of funny. And so personal brand is like the most important thing as far as getting your brand, your business, it's basically attention on your business. That's all. Second is communities. The younger demographic and what most people are looking for right now is community first, courses second. They want to join with like-minded people that are trying to achieve the same goal. So for example, my community is all entrepreneurs trying to either sell AI to small businesses as a service, like AI agencies, or they're entrepreneurs trying to learn how to use AI in their business to make more money at the end of the day. So those are the 2 people. Like, they want community aligned around a similar goal, and then some like your personal brand is going to be the most valuable asset as we go more into an AI artificial world, which is kind of crazy. Lil Party Rentals follows. That's really dope. I like that name. So that's the spiel, at least just to share. At least, again, I'm here just to help you guys make a few money. That's all I care about. I want you guys to be successful. And if I could share some tips along the way to help you guys with AI and automations, that's all I could do. So let's bring it to an end or call to action, as they say. If you found this valuable, follow so that you can follow. So you get, I go live every single day, 6 days a week. I talk about AI, marketing, business are like the top 3 things. And then simple tech skills. You can sign up for the free newsletter right there. You got a ton of free goodies there. And if you really are serious, there's only 20 seats left for the AI community at the lowest price. It's free 7-day trial. You get access to everything. Come in, you get access. You also get a 30-minute one-on-one with me. We do twice a week office hours. You get to meet the community. We're adding more courses every single month. This month we're going to add the NAN agent course, which I'm excited for. So we have a lot cooking. And once those 20 seats are gone, they are gone at that price. The price will double. It will double. So do not wait. I highly recommend. This is Join the AI Family. and bring it to a super call, super focus. There we go. Hope you guys have a wonderful night. It's been a pleasure. I welcome you all to my AI family and to my current viewers. So pleasure meeting you, Tom, Baby Berry, Sherry Shop, Fires, Brother Vince, Josh, Jerry. Jerry's the gangster. Jerry's the shit. Like, he's doing dope things. But I appreciate each and every one of you, and I'll see you guys on the next live stream. I go live daily, 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Oh, by the way, but just one little just kind of thing real quick, just one last thing. This whole thing was recorded, so if you're like you want to go back and rewatch any of this because I probably said something interesting, you could go to my YouTube channel. It's all my lives are saved there from every single day that I've done this. So if you go, you can take a screenshot. It's just my full name, Jonathan Acuna. You go lives and you can literally see all of the videos. These are all the lives. I go live almost twice a day, and they're all 2 hours. They're all 2 hours of just pure AI content. You'll find a ton of stuff. I have like 700 free videos there. You can find some really good stuff there. So